Welcome to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is John, and this channel, it's all about promotion, discounts, DIY, review, unbox. On and off, I like fishing, so if I do go fishing, I'll post a video here and there. Sometimes I do maintenance on my car as well, so then you see a little bit of the stuff as well. But other than that, mainly it's all about saving for this channel. So if that's something that you're interested, then you've come to the right place. Okay, welcome to the channel. And in this particular video, if you've been following my channels, I like discount a lot. I like saving money, and I like electronic stuff. And I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, there was a promotion for an electric scooter from Walmart, and it was advertised for $139. And I jumped on it, and guess what? It's finally here. It was out of stock for a while, but they finally have it back. But right now, instead of $139, they have it $149, which is still not bad at all. So in this video, I'm just gonna do the unbox of this scooter, and probably gonna see if there's any assembly that needs to be done, and I'll probably charge it and then take it out for a spin. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy the video. All right, so this is what we have. It looks a box inside the box. So let's go over the specs a little bit. It's maximum weight is 264 pounds. Speed is 60 miles per hour. And they go distance for each charge, 9 miles. Digital display. Air-filled front tires 8.5. The back is 8.8. Display screens right there, electronic brakes. The brand is Hoover One, Dynamo. Let's see what else. Here is the front side of it. Okay, so let's see anything different. It's about the same. So let's unbox it a little bit more. Really nice packaging, really nice. A box in a box. So it's like a suitcase where you can. Oh wow, nice. Let's put it over here. Wow, it's quite heavy. So on top, we can flip it upside down. Okay. There's the handle. This side a little. Come on. What's that? Okay. Oh wow. There we go. So there goes the box. Put it on the sides. The phone. Go on the side. And off the back, what do you have? Important. Retain this card. A copy of your receipt and your 22-digit serial number for your record. I guess this is for the warranty wise. They have a conformity certificate. This is a quality control inspector. Stop right here. Probably gonna put it on side warranty. And here, just a quick start guide. Control and display, LCD. Okay, go on the side. No plastics. Probably this is owner operational manual, H1 DMO. So first thing is we gotta have a helmet. Save lives. Okay. Warning, instructions, safety checklist. All the parts listed in this one right here. Okay. So that goes aside. They have a little hexagon, I think, screw, and come with a charging brick right here. And this hand looks like a handle, pretty sturdy, heavy. And the plastic, oh, there's another one. Two. There we go. Away. And it's over there. Go. So looks like kind of low, but maybe it's about right size. Okay, so let's lift this things up. And let's see if we know how to install it, assemble it together. Press it in. Okay, so this one, just push it in the clip, and then I guess here is there's a little nut that we can turn to tighten it. Oh no, this one doesn't stay tight. We just turn it like that. Pretty much it. And there's a little pedal. That's pretty much it. And I guess put this blade or this thing's not in the box, and we can install a handle. I don't know if you see the handle, but let me just turn the angle. For the handle, just screw it in. So the handle on the left one, just counterclockwise. Okay. And this one is clockwise. Okay, it's in. So let's see, what do we need? Have this. Is it for here? Really don't need it. Check air. It's all filled up already. So that's what it looks like. So we are finally done with the assembling the scooter, as you can see, for $139. I think it's really nice. I can't wait to take it out and actually do a test ride on it. There you go. So really nice. Looks really good, really sturdy, all the metal. Beautiful. So right now we're just gonna charge it up and wait until it's fully charged. I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Here's the charging port right there. I just need to take away this adapter. Then we get started. Usually these should come, I'm not sure if they should charge it already, but and I wondered if this charger would charge with my other electric bike, would it be charging as well? So that way I don't want to have so many chargers laying around, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so let's charge it up and let's go from there. Okay. So it is now fully charged, and I'm gonna test it out for you guys to see how it is. I think so.
Could I go in it?
Okay, so in order for the scooter to get activated or get started, you gotta kind of give it a push. You push it, and then you can push this the accelerator down, and then it'll start going. But if you're just standing still and you press the accelerator and thinking that it would move or it would start, it wouldn't. So that's how you start the scooter. Also, this one has a couple speed on it. If on the LCD screen, if you set it to speed 1, I think it goes up to about max speed, about 7 miles per hour. And the other one's about maybe 13, and then the speed 3 all the way up to 60 miles per hour. So depending on how fast or how comfortable you are with the speed. But earlier when I was just going at the speed 1, it was like pretty fast already. But maybe I'll try speed 3 when I'm on the road, on the street. But as far as this one for $139, I think it's well worth it. I think it's, in my opinion, I think it's cheap. Because it's very sturdy, you know, it's good. So far, my first impression, the handle is made out of metal, really heavy, quality-wise, it's really nice. But no complaints so far. Okay, so earlier with the last one, that was on the fastest mode, which is speed 3. And so now I'm actually gonna take you guys on the street, so you guys gonna see how fast it is. Because earlier when in my driveway, I couldn't go that fast, no more than 9 miles per hour. So here we are. So it's gonna be like a little bit of shaky, okay? But bear with me. Oh shoot. Ooh, okay. So I just got out my driveway and then it stops. So let's go. Here we go. So right now we're at 11 miles per hour, 13 miles per hour, 14, 15. Oh, there's a car turning. Okay, so, all right. So back up to 13 now, 14, 14, 15, 6, 15. Looks like it's staying at 15 for quite a bit. Okay, let's see if we can get it up to 16. Oh crap. All right, one more round. That will do it. So, like I was saying, this is the third time that I'm trying, and I don't see if that it's not. It doesn't go up to 16. And the battery was charged at 6 bars. I think now it's at 5. So I don't know if my weight plays on the speed wise, because I think this max weight is 264 and I'm at 262. So, but it does not, after 3-4 tries, and it doesn't reach the speed of 16 miles per hour. Okay, here we go. This is for. All right, we'll just hit the bump right now. 10 miles per hour. 13, 14, 15. So far, I don't see that it hits 16 miles per hour. The max it goes is only 15 miles per hour. So, I don't know if my weight plays. As you can see here, I've set the speed to 3, and we've only been riding for about, I would say, less than 5 minutes, and from 6 bars go down to 5 bars. And like I was saying, we did like 3-4 times trying to hit the max speed of 16 miles per hour like stated by the manufacturer. However, I couldn't get it to hit 16 miles per hour. The max it goes up to is like just 15. But I guess maybe it could depend on the weight itself, because max weight for this is 264 and I'm at 262. So still, I'm still under the max weight, so it should have been able to hit 16, but in my case, it only hit up to 15 miles per hour. All right, guys, so I just got back from the test ride of the scooter, and my impressions and how I feel with the scooter. I really like it. For 100 and right now with instead of 139 it's 149. I think it's still worth the buy. So it's something you want to play with your kids, or just hang out, take it to the beach or wherever for $150. It's worth it. Like I stated earlier, the speed, I could not get up to 16 miles per hour, and I charged it fully. And like I said, maybe because my weight could play a role. I'm 262 and max speed is 264. But other than that, and I noticed that the battery indicator from 6 bars, while riding less than 5 minutes, it dropped down to 5 bars. So I'm not sure if each bar will represent 5 minutes. So if that's the case, we can ride it for 30 minutes. Who knows? But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna do a follow-up video on like a whole detailed to see how long it will drain the battery, for the whole thing. So hopefully we'll find out, see if it's 30 minutes or even longer. Okay, but other than that, it's Sunday. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you want, make sure you subscribe as well, and make sure you hit the bell notifications because like I said, I'll be posting a lot of deals coming up, and some of the deals are very time sensitive. Sometimes they're out of stock, sometimes the end's early, so who knows. Okay, so other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.